Do you think your English vocabulary is good enough? Let's put it to the test. In this interactive quiz, you will answer real-life vocabulary questions and improve your English skills while having fun. Stay until the end to see how many you got right and expand your vocabulary with useful words and phrases. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's start the quiz now. Round 1. Everyday expressions. Question 1. What does mean? I'm all ears. Option A. I have big ears. Option B. I'm listening carefully. Option C. I don't want to hear. The answer is, I'm listening carefully. I'm all ears means you are paying close attention. Question 2. What does mean? Break a leg? Option A. Get well soon. Option B. Good luck. Option C. Be careful. The answer is, good luck. Break a leg is a way to wish someone good luck, especially in performances. Question 3. What does mean? Piece of cake. Option A. A delicious dessert. Option B. A small mistake. Option C. Something very easy. The answer is, something very easy. If something is a piece of cake, it means it's very easy. Question 4. What does mean? Under the weather? Option A. Feeling sick. Option B. Standing in the rain. Option C. Being sad. The answer is, feeling sick. Under the weather means you're not feeling well in health. Question 5. What does mean? Hit the books. Option A. Throw books away. Option B. Close a book. Option C. Study hard. The answer is, study hard. Hit the books means to study hard for something like a test. Question 6. What does mean? Spill the beans? Option A. Drop food on the floor. Option B. Reveal a secret. Option C. Make a mistake. The answer is, reveal a secret. Spill the beans means saying something that had to be a secret and no one should know. Round 2. Advanced synonyms. Question 7. What is a more natural way to say, very tired? Option A. I'm sleepy. Option B. I'm exhausted. Option C. I'm bored. The answer is, I'm exhausted. Exhausted means to be really tired and sounds more advanced than very tired. Question 8. What is a more advanced way to say, very happy? Option A. I'm ecstatic. Option B. I'm fine. Option C. I'm down. The answer is, I'm ecstatic. Ecstatic is an advanced word that means extremely happy. Question 9. What is a more advanced way to say, very sad? Option A. I'm content. Option B. I'm miserable. Option C. I'm cheerful. The answer is, I'm miserable. Miserable is a stronger way to express sadness. Question 10. What is a stronger way to say, very hungry. Option A, I'm full. Option B, I'm thirsty. Option C, I'm starving. The answer is, I'm starving. Starving is a stronger way to say you are very hungry. Question 11. What is a stronger way to say very cold? Option A, I'm wet. Option B, I'm freezing. Option C, I'm boiling. The answer is, I'm freezing. Freezing means that something or someone is really cold as ice. Question 12. What's a more advanced way to say very small? Option A, tiny. Option B, huge. Option C, medium. The answer is
Tiny.
tiny means something is as small as a mouse and sounds more natural than very small. Round 3. Phrasal verbs. Question 13. What does mean bring up? Option A, to mention something. Option B, to carry something upstairs. Option C, to bring food to a party. The answer is,
To mention something.
the phrasal verb bring up means to mention a topic in conversation. Question 14. What does mean give up? Option A, stop trying. Option B, donate something. Option C, give a present. The answer is, stop trying. The phrasal verb give up is used to express that someone decides to stop trying something because of disappointment. Question 15. What does mean run out of? Option A, escape from somewhere. Option B, have no more of something. Option C, run faster. The answer is, have no more of something. The phrasal verb run out of is used to say that you have no more of something. For example, the storage of your cell phone. Question 16. What does mean look after? Option A, watch carefully. Option B, take care of. Option C, follow someone. The answer is,
Take care of.
look after means to take care of something or someone. Question 17. What does mean put off? Option A,
Postpone something.
Option B, put something on a shelf. Option C, throw away. The answer is,
Postpone something.
the phrasal verb put off is used to delay or postpone something, like a medical appointment. Question 18. What does mean turn down? Option A, lower the volume. Option B, reject an offer. Option C,
Sit down.
the answer is, reject an offer. The phrasal verb turn down means not accepting an invitation or an offer. Round 4. Common idioms. Question 19. What does mean break the ice? Option A, to literally break ice. Option B, to start a conversation. Option C, to end a conversation. The answer is to start a conversation. Break the ice means to begin a conversation in a strange situation. It helps people feel more comfortable in social settings. Question 20. What does mean? Hit the sack. Option A, to punch a bag. Option B,
To go to sleep.
option C.
To fail at something.
The answer is
To go to sleep.
hit the sack is an informal way to say go to bed. It's commonly used when someone is tired and ready to sleep. Question 21. What does mean? Bite the bullet? Option A, to endure a painful situation bravely. Option B, to eat something spicy. Option C, to react angrily. The answer is to endure a painful situation bravely. Bite the bullet means to face something difficult with courage, even if it's unpleasant or painful. Question 22. What does mean? Let the cat out of the bag? Option A, to set an animal free. Option B, to accidentally reveal a secret. Option C,
To escape from something.
the answer is to accidentally reveal a secret. Let the cat out of the bag means to tell a secret that was meant to be kept hidden. Question 23. What does mean? Pull someone's leg. Option A,
To joke or tease someone.
Option B, to physically grab someone. Option C,
To trip over something.
the answer is to joke or tease someone. Pull someone's leg means to make a joke in a playful way, usually to trick them for fun. Question 24. What does mean? Spill the beans? Option A, to drop food. Option B, to reveal a secret. Option C,
To waste something.
the answer is to reveal a secret. Spill the beans means to intentionally tell a secret before you should. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. If you love learning English, don't forget to subscribe for more fun lessons. See you in the next video.